Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free food on DoorDash. So when we open up the DoorDash mod here, we just open it up and we can get unlimited free orders, as you can see, as well as anti-ban. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super insane, guys. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get this DoorDash mod for your device. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go onto the website hexmods.com. So this is the site where we're going to download the DoorDash mod. So let me just type it in. And as you can see, it says DoorDash mod right here. So just go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and then it will start downloading just like you saw, guys. So yeah, it's super cool. You can get unlimited orders for free with this. So I'm just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. All right. So now it's going to tell us that we need to download some missing files to get the DoorDash mod. So in order to install it, guys, you do have to download some of these apps because it is a modded app. So they're very different. Like this Text Now is different than Travel Town, but I would just do Travel Town because it's a game and you just have to reach level 10. So just press on it, press continue. It'll bring you to the Play Store. You just want to download it, open it up, and reach level 10. Now, I'm not sure if you'll even have a game like this one, but that's the one I did, and it was pretty easy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to do it. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super easy. So yeah, you just play through this and like whatever. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how to get the DoorDash mod for your phone so you can actually get free orders. Which is super cool. It's totally not bannable because there's anti-ban. Just make sure you turn on the anti-ban, guys, and you should be all set. So I'll see you later. Be sure to subscribe and peace out.